Updating your profile details on Orange 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your profile details. Step 3. Edit your information. In the profile settings, you will see various fields such as name, email, phone number, and address. Click on the field you wish to update and enter the new information. Step 4. Save changes. After making your updates, look for Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are saved. Step 5. Confirm updates. Log out and then log back in to confirm that your profile details have been updated successfully. Check each field to ensure accuracy. By following these steps, you can easily keep your profile details on Orange 2026 up to date.